Echinococcus granulosus. It is otherwise called as hide tapeworm or dog tapeworm. It causes disease name is called cystic echinococcosis or hide disease. It is mainly found in Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East and Central America. This adult worm mainly found in intestine of dog and other canis. Larva form found in viscera of herbivorous and man. Now we see about morphology. Size, range, length from 2 mm to 9 mm. This body part having 3 segments: immature, mature and gravid. This neck is short and thick. Head part having, it is a pyriform 300 mm. It have 4 suckers and 2 row of hook. It containing 30 to 36 hooks. Then this third one, gravid segment, size 3 into 0.6 mm. It containing egg, and this egg are released by bursting of segment. Reservoir dog, it is a zoonotic disease. Sources, contaminated food and water with dog fecal materials. Transmission, direct contact with the infected dog or food, water and other material. This also contaminated with this egg. Then one more reason, coprophasic flies mechanically. Life cycle, definitive host dog and wild carnivorous, intermediate host herbivorous animal. Then man only accidental host, but he is called dead end of parasitic. Then infective stage, egg only, it is transferred larva, then it will penetrate to gastrointestinal tract, then migrate various part of organ like liver. Life cycle, parasite transmitted to dog. When they inject that organ of other animal that containing hyoid cyst, this cyst will develop adult tapeworm. Infected dog, their fecal material which contaminated the ground. Then cattle or herbivorous animal inject that ground graze like that things. This egg catch developed into the cyst in the intestine organ. Then human is the accidental host consuming of soil, water and food. That one has been contaminated by fecal material of infected dog. First, this larva enter to the intestine, then penetrate gastrointestinal tract, then migrate various organ. Human, same way only human also affected. First enter liver, then heart. This one egg passed the fecal material of dog, then affected herbivorous, accidentally human. This acquired infection by injection of food contaminated with dog fecal material containing egg. Then the hexacanth embryo hatches out and penetrate to the intestine. First hexagon embryo only catch out, then it will circulate and develop into hyoid cyst. Now dog acquired infection by consumption of viscera of infected sheep containing hyoid cyst. Then this scarlex evaginate in intestine, then adult worm in small intestine. After fertilization, it will release the large amount of eggs. Then it will affect human and sheep. It is a cyclic process. It will continue. Then laboratory diagnosis, skin test. This one is small question also. Cazzoni test. This one is immediate hypersensitivity reaction test developed by Cazzoni in the year of 1911. Here what antigen we are using? Sterile hyoid folate. It is derived from unilocular cyst from dog or man. What method we are using? Sterilized by filtration method. Then procedure, 0.2 ml of antigen is injected in one arm, sterile saline into the another arm. Then result interpretation, sensitive patient developed large wheel measuring 5 cm. Okay, sensitive patient only developed. More, 5 cm or more. The formation of pseudopodia within 30 minutes. No reaction in the control arm. Okay, so within 30 minutes that wheel appearance 5 centimeter or more indicate positive. Then antibody detection or screening test, indirect heme agglutination test, lactose agglutination test, indirect fluorescent antibody test. One more, ELISA. Then confirmatory test, immunodiffusion and electroimmunodiffusion, Western blotting also we are using. Then imaging method, X-ray, ultrasound, CT scan also using. Then treatment, surgical removal of hiatal cyst, 90% effective but risky also because based on their location size. Then we need chemotherapy, albendazole and mebendazole. Then dogs are treated with praziquantel.